This is my curry leaf plant. It was not giving me any leaves, so I just pruned it completely, and now you can see it giving so many new leaves. The only thing I fed was rice wash water with some orange peels soaked and banana peels soaked overnight. This is my pasalakira growing from stalks. Here you can see a mix of coriander and methi. The thin ones are coriander. You can see the coriander leaves beautifully coming. It is so nice to see the tiny coriander. The broad ones are methi, of course. Here again in this pot you see a mixture of coriander and methi again. Look at this. Look at this beauty of coriander coming. Here are some red chili plants and bangan plants coming. I don't know, so I have to wait for them to grow bigger. This is again methi in my grow bag. This is a tomato plant. This I just crushed ripened tomato and put it in the grow bag, and you can see how nicely the tomatoes have come. This is again in the grow bag, many flowers, lots of them coming. And this is cherry tomato. This is again from the seeds of cherry tomato that I got from Spinneys. This is another tomato plant. You can see the tomatoes again just by crushing the ripened tomato and putting it in the soil. So these are my tomato plants. 2 normal tomatoes on either side and 1 cherry tomato in the middle. This is my arakira coming up. This is dhania again. Here I have soaked some seeds, not sure what. I don't see any plant coming, and it's been more than almost 2-3 weeks. Here you see tiny shoots of onions coming. This is from the seed, store bought seed, onion seeds that I got from the store. So this is coming up. This is my capsicum plant, again grown from the seeds of store bought capsicum. There are around 7 of them, and many tiny capsicums coming. You can see the tiny capsicums there. So another one here, another one here. So this is my capsicum, again grown from seeds. This is my pasalakira growing again very well from stalks. I had put just 4 of them. You can see how nicely they are growing, really tall, and yeah. And this is my karela, giving lot of. There is one tiny guy over here, one tiny karela coming. You can see the karela growing really nicely. Yeah. So this is my karela plant and my pasalakira. This is our chili plant, the bhaji molagas that I had posted and harvested last week that went into making of bhajis. Here again I have 1, 2, this is 3, 4 and 5, 6, so many of them, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and so many small ones coming. So this is my chili plant, again grown from seeds. This is again mint that I put from, I just stuck the stalks in the soil, and you can see how beautifully the mint is coming. Not all the stalks have given leaves. This is Karamani plant that I had dried the seeds and put it in the soil. So just 2 of them have survived. Yeah, and here you see my Manatakali plant giving new leaves. This also I put the stalks in the soil, and you can see here onion shoots. I had a few small onions that had sprouted and I just put them in the soil, and now they are coming out beautifully, giving me onion shoots. This is one more plant. I don't know what vegetable this is. I first thought it was cucumber, but not sure if it's cucumber. Yellow flowers. I just got one flower and one vegetable, and then I don't see any more flowers coming, or are they hiding behind? This is something that grew on its own. I did not put the seeds, so I don't know what plant this is. This is growing along with my pixie or bougainvillea plant here. This is the famous Gongura plant or Rosella hibiscus. You can see there are a lot of buds here of this Gongura Rosella hibiscus. You can use these buds in the making of jam. I'm yet to try out the recipe, but I know a friend of mine who has made jam with these Rosella buds. So once I get a hold of the recipe, I will share it in the group with you. This is my Gongura plant or Rosella hibiscus. What you see here is one big pumpkin, yellow pumpkin. This is from my friend's garden in Sharjah. So yeah, this was gifted to me. Now you all know what this is. The moringa. This moringa tree is almost 3 years old now. You can see it was a very small plant, and in 2 years it has grown really big. It has grown taller than my first floor balcony, and there are many moringas where I can just pluck it from my balcony. So I'm just waiting for them to mature and harvest. So yeah, this is one tree that gives me so much of happiness. This is the pumpkin plant that is coming, growing from seeds. Yeah, I put both white pumpkin and yellow pumpkin seeds, so I really don't know which one is coming here. So this is it. And to all my plants, the only thing that I feed is rice wash water with banana peels and orange peels soaked overnight. Sometimes fermented rice wash water, sometimes fresh rice wash water. Thank you. This is dried coffee and tea grounds after using, which I feed my rose plants. Rose plants நான் வந்து வீடியோ காமிக்கிறேன். இது வந்து ஒன்ஸ் அ வீக் நல்லா ட்ரை பண்ணிவிட்டு வெயிலில் காஃபி டீ எல்லாம் யூஸ் பண்ணதுக்கப்புறமா நல்லா ட்ரை பண்ணிவிட்டு I feed my rose plants. You can see the topsoil ku mela I just add a little to each of my rose plants and just give it a slight mix. பார்க்கலாம் ரோஸோட சைஸ் இந்த ஒரு செடியிலே நல்ல 3 பெரிய ஃப்ளவர்ஸ். இந்த ரோஸ் பிளான்ட்டில் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா 5 பூ இருக்குது. இப்போது 1 2 3 4 5 இது எல்லாத்துக்குமே இதுதான் டானிக்.